Hello. Today we're going to talk about the yin and yang energy in the body. See, our body's yin or feminine energy and yang or masculine energy are in a constant dynamic dance with each other. This dance denotes that all things affect one another. As everything, all things exist together. The dual energies of yin and yang must always work in harmony. If there is too much of one energy, there will be too little of the other, which creates an imbalance. Imbalances will show up as problems in the organ systems, manifesting as symptoms and illnesses. Yang is a transformative, creative force of energy that activates and warms the body. When yang energy is sufficient in a person, they feel energized, as energy is flowing freely and all bodily functions are effectively performed. If yang energy is deficient, there is less power for action. Since yang energy creates movement and normal bodily functions like digestion relies on movement, they become less efficient, which negatively impacts the entire body. That is when yang starts to dim. So does the quality of life. Yang efficiently results from many habits that are quite common in our lives, such as over-consuming cold foods and drinks, overexertion, and exceeding your body's threshold without properly recovery, skipping breakfast, chronic stress, constant information overload, exposure to cold without proper precaution, lack of proper sleep, and imbalanced emotions. So what are the symptoms of yang deficiency? These are body pains, weight gain, thyroid problems, liver disease, stomach disorders, kidney disease, infertility, menstrual imbalances, cysts, cancers, and tumors. Now, the yin energy or the feminine energy that grounds us and helps us accept what is in order to balance the active nature of yang. Yin is the fluid that is used to moisten our body, specifically all the organs, cells, blood vessels, and glands. Blood is considered a yin fluid. If we lack yin energy, all our body parts can easily become rigid, become overheated, and lose proper function. Yin energy is responsible for the moistening and cooling of body functions. When this energy is depleted, our body begins to show signs of heating up, which is not a true heat, but rather an artificial one, signaling that our internal thermostat needs some maintenance. Moistening and cooling functions are necessary to maintain a healthy balance in temperature, body functions, and overall stability. Yin deficiency results from excess output without enough stillness or restoration. Symptoms of yin deficiency are hot flushes, fatigue, night sweats, vaginal dryness, lower back soreness, general discomfort or weakness, dizziness, occasional ear ringing, dry skin, unquenchable thirst, irritability, insomnia, easily angered or frustrated, nocturnal emissions, sore throat, chronic swelling of gums, and chronic toothaches. See, we need to strive for energy harmony within our body so that this is or dysfunctions do not show up in our body as a result of the imbalance of yin and yang energies. Food for thought. Have a great day.